Here we go. This is the starting of the blizzard of 96. Boy, it's really coming down, honey. This is what the driveway looks like an hour after I shoveled it all. Here's another update on the blizzard. It's the next day. You can see we got a little bit of snow by the back door on the deck here. There's our barbecue. And it's the next day. We've had 18 inches so far and it's still snowing. No birds in the bird feeder today. I'll just be a minute. I won't jump in the piles either. Man.
Well, here's the scene from our kitchen, looking out onto the deck. It's about 4:15 in the afternoon, and it's finally stopped snowing, and I thought it looked so pretty. I wanted to get some pictures. The sun's out, and the snow's smooth and pretty. And here's a little picture of Eric. He doesn't much care about the snowstorm. He just wants to stay dry and warm. Hi, Eric. Brian, I have the... Gotta go. I hear Junior calling. Say bye, Brian. Oh, Eric. I want to take some pictures before we take our Christmas tree upstairs down. As you can see, the lights are burnt out on the bottom and it doesn't look quite as pretty as it did. This is the tree we were putting up the night before the little Christmas present was born. We put the tree up on December 1st and Eric was born December 2nd. So you want to get some pictures of the tree, the first Christmas, our upstairs tree. Even though the lights are burnt out on the bottom. This is now January 10th. We've had our tree up for a long time, but it was kind of a neat Christmas this year with the 2 birthdays. And we have a nice snowfall outside, so we left it up to be cozy. Hey boys. Hey boys. Brian. Eric. Eric. All right, well, I'm going to turn the camera off because nobody wants to be on the camera, I guess. Eric. Hi, Brian. Brian with his chocolate mouth. Good night, boys. Good night, Eric. Good night, Eric. Psst, psst. Eric. Good night, Eric. Night, Brian. For us. This is what?
It's April 7th, 1996, and it's Easter.
And what are you doing right now?
Hunting for eggs.
All right. Have you found any?
Yeah, I found 1 chocolate egg and 2 other plastic. I found one now.
There should be one more down here.
And my mom just made breakfast for everyone.
Didn't know I was going to be on camera.
Hey, cool.
Did you find another one?
Yeah.
Well, we've been to church.
What's that? You got a basket you found?
What is this?
Oh, honey, I don't think this is in. Oh my gosh!
What?
What the
It's mine.
heck?
What's that? I didn't put that in
How
down
did
there.
it?
The bunny came. It's
Is
a...
this from you?
No!
Of course.
Isn't that his basket that you got?
Isn't that cute?
Isn't that Brian's
I
basket?
don't know.
Didn't you give him a basket? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought maybe it was something you gave him. That's...
Easter Bunny must have come while I was asleep. What do we got here?
Psych, we hit it. Ha ha. For you.
Is this from you guys? Thank
Eric and
you.
Brian. Eric picked out some... Or Eric. Jeez. Brian picked out a lot of the stuff in it.
And look at that one.
Brian picked him out.
Cute. What a nice surprise. My goodness.
She thought you were getting a bag of garbage out there. She said, oh, honey,
No,
don't get into that, honey.
I didn't know what it was. I thought it was something where did you even have it? Back behind the chair?
Daddy and Mom hide
She's
it.
going, honey, don't get into that, honey. That's
I got
no.
Oh, wow. That's great.
That was my prize picture I cut to put in there for you, so
That's great.
you have to hang it up.
That's one of my favorite pictures.
I had to cut a lot of it, but I just thought the part I could fit
It's
in.
got a magnet too, so you can
It's
put
for
it
the
on
refrigerator.
But it has a thing on
But
it.
I have another copy of that, I think, somewhere. I had doubles made, but that was the part I could fit in that would show, and I thought it looked cute, so. Now don't get all sentimental. It's just a
One
cute.
shares the sweetest theme, adds
I thought that was
luster
cute.
to the same. He shares my joys, he shares my sadness.
You're on tape now.
Greatest friend I ever had. Long life to her, for there's no other can take the place of my dear mother.
I
Thank
picked that.
you, dear daughter. It's very sweet.
Uh-huh. That's a little trivet, or you can hang it up, whichever. Like a
And I'll hang
hot
it
thing,
up.
you know.
Something sitting on it, nobody can read it.
Brian picked that out.
Isn't that cute?
That's what I was looking at.
At Penny's the other day. We were
when
telling
we
you
were
to
in
go
the
walk
store.
around.
That's cute.
He thought that was cute.
Thank you.
And
What
there's
a nice
candy.
idea.
There's some candy in there.
Oh,
Jelly
low
beans.
fat, huh?
Jelly
So I can
beans
eat
and
it.
gummy things are fat free.
Thank you very much. That was a
They're
nice
only
surprise.
2.5 grams of sat fat per piece now. Oh, we stop it. They're fat free, believe me, I checked.
Thank you very much. darling.
And the basket we got you to have too. That's your basket.
Very nice. I didn't put a basket out this year, so.
Well, we have your basket. Anyway, he forgot to bring it back. You know, from
Yeah,
the
but I
egg
had-
hunt the other day.
I had another one that had pink in it or something. I don't know where it is. Oh, did you find one, Brian?
No.
You gotta do quicker finding those eggs. Oh, geez. I
Brian.
gotta take my furniture apart.
I didn't see that. I don't think she hit anything.
No, I don't think you need to take cushions out. I think you're warm. I forget where the other one is, really.
How many has he found?
Not that many. How
Oh,
many you found, Brian?
I'm not sure. Not that many.
jeez. Did you look in the bathroom down here? Or they're not?
Try under here, because I'm not sure where he did put it. Try under that. Did you look under there? Look under there. Look at that. I forget where I put
Whether it's
Well, you're one of
Yeah. And this one is for,
Did you-
I don't know. See.
and it's an $88 fine or something like that. It's outstanding on it. And,
Wait a minute. What are we talking
Yeah.
about? I'm taping. Hello. Are you talking about anything I shouldn't be putting on tape here?
Turn that off.
All right.
You know, Easter Bunny came in.
All right.
Oh,
Not there.
poor koala. Put koala back where you found it, please.
All right.
What are you doing? Let me get the closet. What do you find? Oh,
What do you find?
oh no! He dropped some big thing back there instead of an egg. Bring it out.
What do you got, Brian?
Must be for you.
What'd you get?
It's a video.
What?
Thank you.
What's that?
Well, it looks like something that you don't
Did you
have
see
that,
that?
do you?
Did you see that, Brian?
No, I don't have that.
I didn't think you did.
Yeah, but what was it about that video? Was it that we were looking at it one time to get? We didn't rent it?
Ah,
You never saw it though?
I have no idea.
I didn't know
just,
you got him that.
did. I just. No.
But Brian, what was
Okay,
it?
nothing else in there.
Were we
It's on
look?
HBO.
And did you you didn't watch
Your
it?
foot's burning now. Your foot's burning.
So we never actually saw that movie,
Your
Brian.
foot's burning.
Brian,
You're helping Eric out too, Brian.
I thought he'd
You're
watched
helping
that. Or
Eric
something.
with this too.
What's
Okay.
hey Brian? What's the other
Sharing
video
with
that you
Eric.
got? That's the one that's called Lost in San Francisco now.
That's Homeward Bound.
Homeward Bound. That's what I was thinking of.
See something under there that Eric might use?
Hey man,
Yeah.
bright baby bear. Where did you get all this?
Let's talk, Ted.
Jeez, the last time. That's cute.
One texture.
Very busy.
I thought, what, huh? What about the other, was there another thing or is that not? Okay, for Ryan.
Second G.
So he doesn't,
I don't need
Okay, that's for Eric, okay?
I don't need any.
so he's not looking for a
bracelets.
BASK, he's looking for the other.
No.
Okay. There's another item for you, Brian, somewhere.
Take this one out and with Eric's.
Did he find all his eggs
I
now?
think there's one more egg in this room. I think. And
It's alright, don't wake him up, Brian.
yeah, there's one more egg in this room, Brian.
That's cute.
What? Where?
There's one more egg in this
Here's
room.
Eric. He's sleeping.
Find the last egg.
Here's Daniel.
The hat don't fit, you must have quit.
Oh.
Okay.
OJ 96.
Ornithol.
Stop that. Ornithol James. Orenthal, I think it is.
Warmer. Warmer. Warmer, warmer. Warm.
Ah,
Hot, hot,
I
hot.
don't even know. I'm just doing
Burnt
it.
your hand.
Let's see it. Your last egg.
No, wait,
Ah.
that's not the last.
Oh.
How many we got here?
Ah.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You've got 2 more.
Oh.
This is harder than outside, isn't it? Did you get one out of here?
I thought the
got
bunny.
one.
I thought the bunny hid these. How do you know we're there?
No, the bunny don't come here anymore.
Oh.
Because I don't have any
No
children.
bunny.
Brian, how many did you get out of the living room?
Sold
Well, there's 2 more in the living room, and that'll be it.
You're taping, you know.
I know I am.
And
Hello.
You walk around with the thing hanging off your shoulder.
Hello. How are you?
Uh,
I'm getting a nice big close-up of
I'm
you.
85, right?
He's found 10. He's got 2 to go. Plus, there's a couple Cadbury eggs missing.
I'm getting tired.
I ate one of those.
Well, you ate the one on the table, didn't you?
No, there's another one I found. I ate.
You did not. You found it and you ate it. Dan, that's rude.
Huh?
If she had it hiding, you should have known it wasn't.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's not there anymore.
Right.
Brian, are you done? I guess I'll get
Come
the
on,
other-
in here you're
You're cold.
lukewarm, you're getting colder.
Mine was
Warmer.
mine was an egg
A little
beater
bit
one.
warmer.
Yeah, it had no filling.
Mine didn't have a yolk
Cold,
in
cold.
It's just chocolate,
cold,
solid chocolate.
it.
cold,
It was chocolate with white in it. I'm like,
cold, 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 colder. A little tiny bit warmer. Warmer. Warmer, warmer,
Ah!
warmer,
Ah!
warmer. Ouch! Ooh. Hot.
Now I gotta find the
Okay, one more to go. I think it.
Actually, you're not giving up, are you, Brian?
One more. No, you're still kind of cool. Warmer,
I have to put in some
Warmer.
extra effort for this one.
warmer.
Uh.
Feet are warmer.
Uh,
Feet are warmer.
I'm gonna get you so you see how dumb you sound when you do that.
Hands are cool. Feet are cool right now too. Since you got up.
Oh, come on.
Back's warmer.
Jeez.
look, there's a whole bowl of them.
Getting warmer. Getting warmer. Up.
Uh-oh.
Warmer. Eyes are getting warm.
Jeez. Eyes are warm.
Bingo.
Let's see your
Now.
last egg, Brian.
Now, it seems to me there was something else that was.
One more.
Your mother is very warm. Your mother's very warm.
Yeah.
Your mother's warm.
I'll just give you a warning.
Warm. Warm.
I don't know where
Warmer, warmer, warmer.
it is. Uh-oh. I bet I know.
Warmer. What's in there?
No.
Any eggs?
Nothing.
Yes, there is. Ouch, you're getting burnt,
You're
man.
sitting on it.
You're getting burnt. Ouch. Ooh, you just burnt your hand.
Ouch.
You're being funny.
I thought that was for me.
Yeah, that's.
All right, I'll give it to Eric. You don't want
He
it.
doesn't see it. He really
He
doesn't.
does so. I can't believe
All
you didn't
right.
see that.
Let's give it to Eric.
I don't know.
You're
Behind
sitting on
you.
fire. You're sitting on fire.
Keep throwing them out.
It's not eggs. It's something else, silly.
Assembly line.
Right there. What is it?
I've never seen it.
Yes, yeah, I see it.
Eric and Brian.
Ah, that's your chocolate. Thank you. Oops.
Uh-huh. The pop-up is Eric's, okay? And that,
Brian gets the pop up and Ellie gets the book.
I'll tell you, is it rollings in this are by children, Brian?
It's taping.
I got this pimple here, so I'd like to cover it. All right, ready? Wait now, wait. Just don't get any close-ups of me. I'm not. Okay, ready? So get Eric here. We haven't taped him in a while, so we gotta zoom in on him a minute. That's 4.5 months old. Brian, Eric and Brian.
Make
is
him laugh,
7
Brian.
years
Don't get in the camera.
old. Okay, make him laugh, Brian. Let's go, Eric. Laugh at him. Come on, Eric. Oh no. Do it again. Yes. I did something else, Brian. That's not funny now. Look, Eric. Look, Eric. No. Careful. He's not laughing at the dance for him, Brian. Get Brian dancing. There you go. Now he's there.
Right.
Careful, and kick. Oh no, put Paul's shoes on. Oh no, look. Look.
Oh yeah, back in the days when,
Keep him on.
well, before New York became a kind of a
Look, Eric.
bilingual
Duh.
city there.
Look at that funny.
Manhattan, not.
This is, oh, get that. That's not
You get down on your knees.
Oh, get it.
All right.
Yeah.
That was, who was that? That was,
That makes
the
you look like-
band member.
Let me do that.
Now here's Sylvia Frues, who,
Oh.
used to
Let
be
mommy show you what she used to do.
Here, take his
What
little
are you
pop-pop
trying to
shoes.
do?
30s, mid-30s.
Oh.
Sylvia Frues, good voice, and here she is with a good
Wait
tune
1 minute, I'll
of
get this.
Manhattan. This is the Penthouse.
I'm
Certainly.
not tired. Dad, get closer.
Must be 107.7.
Hurry up. Go ahead, Ryan. My box. now. It's left now. Thanks, Brian. I'm gonna break the backs out on him. The lunch can lay in here. Get up, Brian. Get up. The charms on my neck. Oh, jeez. You're pulling. Don't do that. Stop it. He's taping you. Jeez. Brian, come on. Never mind. He doesn't want to dance right. I'll get Eric to do it. Never mind. I'm not. There we go. Okay, this way. Oh, Brian, come on. Nah, that's embarrassing. Come on, dance. Don't.
Yeah, this music is.
All right, just however,
All beat.
dance whatever. Brian, dance right.
You get me off whack here. Okay, go around me this way. Look. Way up that way. Take this hand.
Jeez, strangle him.
I don't know what you call he's doing some kind of a wrestling hold on me, I think, instead of dancing.
Hi.
How do you do it?
I just pulled the tape out that we had of Brian. He was about that same age when we had him on the tape. When you remember we had him dancing on that?
Yeah. Did he look like Eric at all?
He looked like he was about the same size.